Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get text effects on iPhone. iPhones allow you to add special text effects, primarily in iMessage, to make your messages more expressive and fun. Here's how you can use and customize text effects. First, use iMessage text effects. iMessage has built-in effects that can animate your messages with bubble effects or full screen animations. To do this is to open Messages app and create a new conversation or open an existing one. Type your message in the text field. Press and hold the send button, the blue or green arrow. Choose one of the following. Bubble effects. Slam makes the bubble slam into the conversation. Loud enlarges and shrinks the bubble. Gentle sends the bubble softly. Invisible ink hides the message until swiped. How about the screen effects? Swipe left to choose effects like echo, spotlight, balloons, confetti, love, lasers, fireworks, or celebration. Then tap send to deliver the message with the chosen effect. Next, add emphasis with text formatting. iPhones also allow you to add basic text formatting effects in certain apps like Mail and Notes. Now, let's open Notes. Then tap on the Create New in the bottom right corner. Now, to make bold, italic, or underline, type your text and highlight it. Tap the BIU option in the context menu. Then just tap on the arrow to the right. Choose Format. Here, choose bold, italic, or underline, strike through, indentation. So now, tap on your chosen, so I choose strike through for now. Lastly, use handwritten messages. iMessage let you send handwritten notes for a personal touch. Now, turn your phone to landscape mode while composing a message. Tap the scribble icon in the lower right corner. Write your message or draw using a finger or Apple Pencil. Then tap Done to send it. By exploring these features, you can make your iPhone messages lively and engaging. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.